Hello guys, today we're going to talk about HTML color. So uh, I have, in my previous lessons, I've talked about how to, write your background color, but this time we're going to do it differently, way different. So this is my first code. It's just for color names. I'm just going to place it in one of my notepads and then save it as an HTML document. Okay, so it just, my background color for that only one line is color, right? So in my previous lesson I talked how to use a background color for a whole web page, but in this one we're just concentrating on how to use it on just one line. Amazing. Okay, how you do it, not really hard. You just use doc type HTML and then open with your HTML, open your body in a whatever heading style you want to use. I could use H1 or H2, it's up to me. You could use style, and we're talking about background color. Background to color is whatever color I want, so I could put cyan, red, my choice. And then you could write whatever you want as your paragraph. I could write my background color is red, and here it will show it as my background color is red. And then you close it with your H2, whatever heading you used, you close it with it. And you can use how many you want, it's up to you. And then you close it with your body and close it with HTML. It's as easy as you could. And now we're gonna go more in complex. We're gonna see how to use your own, so how to mix only three colors and make it a way different color. So RGB is the one we're going to use, which means red, green, and blue. RGB. So what it does, it defines the intensity of the color. And so it's like a parameter. As you can see right here, this is a parameter. So what it does is RGB, red, green, blue. I have said 255, 0, 0. So 0 is my lowest parameter and 255 is my highest. So when I say 255, it displays red because red is the highest value you could go. And when I say 000, it will display black because for 0, it kind of all color parameters must be set to 0 in order to display black. But if I place it 0, 0, 255, I might have a different color. And when I place all as in 255 rather than 000, it'll display as white because black and white are opposite. You could use your common sense, it's easy. So we're going to use a code now to display our information. Okay, go to your notepad, copy it, save it, then open it. Okay, same thing. Before we talked about how to use background color, and we being specific on what color we want to use, right? If I want cyan, I'll just use cyan instead of RGB and blah blah blah. If I want green, I'll just use green. It's up to me. Okay, but now we're going on how to use color variations. So if I'm using 25, 200, and 0 to make it more in a dark green color, and I'm using 0, 255, 0 and making it look more lighter green color compared to the first one. And if I use 0, 255, 255, it is cyan. So again, play with it, guys. Like, change the numbers and look what happens. Now I use 55 and 30 9. So remember, 255 is the highest you could go, and 0 is the lowest you could go. So how to change the, so really, this one does not count. Background color is set by using. So changing this would not affect anything except your sentence or whatever you want it to display, but not the color. So if you want to change your color, it should be in between H2 style or whatever heading you want to use, but you must have a style equals to your quotation marks, background dash color, your colon, or maybe like semicolon, and RGB, red, green, blue, and whatever parameters you want to use, as in 3 brackets, 3, 0, 65, 0 represents R, 65 represents G, 5 represents blue, so it makes a pattern change, and your quotation marks end with everything, and end with your style, your heading. That's how easy it gets. Okay, so I changed in this one. We just had 255, 00, 0255, and 0255, and the colors have been different. And when I changed, oops, I think I deleted it. Okay, when I changed the parameters, let me open it open. Okay, when I changed the parameters, the whole color changed. When I changed it to 250, 100, and 10, it is more of a brighter orange. And when I put 255, 39, 255, and 39, it is like, I don't know, it's weird color. It's like a weird dark green. And here is like a lighter. So when you concentrate on this more, this one looks more lighter than this one. This looks like a black green. So that is how the color works. Now, in the next lesson, I'm going to talk more in detail and more complex methods. But here's the basics. So we talked about color names, how to use your background for just one line, and how to be specific on your color. And we also said how to change your variations using RGB, and then putting as numbers rather than specific names. And you could put as many as you can. And thank you for watching this video.